Sakakini here with us today to talk to you about something that everybody loves, I'm sure, which are diamonds. He'll know a lot more about it than I will, so without further ado, I will hand over to Dominic.
So this is the famous ladies at lunch that everyone's talking about. It's a pleasure to meet you all. What I'd like to talk about is my favourite dream, and I want you all to share this with me. Who loves that dream of when you're flying through the sky? You're flying through the sky, and you're flying along, and you see a volcano. Don't worry, it's fine. I want you to fly down into the volcano. A bit like a jacuzzi at this point. Flying down into the volcano. At this point, you're 500 metres down. You're going further down. You're now half a mile down into the volcano. You're going further down. You're now 2 miles in the depths of the Earth's surface. You'll keep going down. You're now 50 miles below the Earth's surface. In fact, at this point, you're going down to 75 miles. We're going further down to 150 miles below the Earth's surface. You're now 200 miles. Then, bang! All of a sudden, you're going whoosh, you're going higher, 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 faster, 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 up into the sky, and you've now been thrown 5 miles, 10 miles, 20 miles out into the surrounding fields. But don't worry, you're embedded in a rock, a cocoon, a bit like Superman. You're in this cocoon and you're lying on the Earth's surface, on the ground, waiting to be discovered. The rock that you are lying in is called a kimberlite. It's amazing, you're lying there. Do you know how old you are? Ladies, how many of you are wearing diamonds on your fingers at the moment or on you? You all are. Fantastic. Have a look at them. Let me tell you, ladies, all your diamonds that you are wearing today is 3 billion years old. I asked somebody once, what's the oldest thing you got in your house? And she says, oh, I've got this old antique wardrobe. It's about 200 years old. You've got diamonds. She says, oh, yeah, that's only 10 years old, though. It's actually 3 billion years is the oldest diamond. All diamonds, at least, are 3 billion years old. So when you're looking at that little bit of sparkle, you have something that's been lying waiting to be discovered.